Welcome to Storytribe.com, your ultimate platform for creating compelling visual stories. Storytribe simplifies visual storytelling with easily customizable characters, a library of backgrounds and props, and consistency across every frame. Here are a few things we'd love for you to know before getting started. Let's jump right in. When you build your scene, make sure to start with search. You will discover templates, characters, props, icons, and images in our extensive search results. Using ready-made templates as your starting point is a great idea. Browse or search templates. Click to add one to your canvas, then customize anything you like. Swap characters or props, tweak gestures and facial expressions, change backgrounds, and build the scene your way. Choose your character from our diverse collection. You can pick from our curated collection of emotions, actions, outfits, and occupations. Once a character is added, you can adjust a character's hairstyle, clothing, facial expression, hand gestures, and leg movement. If nothing comes up in the search, use Tribe AI to generate unique objects, characters, and backgrounds. Creating and assembling individual items gives you more control over your scene than generating a full scene in one go. If you've created a scene or design but feel it lacks something, add a personal touch with the pen tool in sketch mode. Draw directly onto your scene to add a unique, handcrafted touch that blends perfectly with Storytribe's illustration style. Switch seamlessly between canvas view and grid view. Grid view lets you focus on the written parts of the storyboard. You can add annotations to each scene for detailed notes and directions. This could include dialogues, actions, camera angles, transitions, or anything else that might be useful for your project. Canvas view focuses on visual expression. While you're in Canvas view, click View Annotations to see the details you've added. Upgrade with a free 7-day pro trial and unlock all premium templates, characters, unlimited projects, and more. That's it from us. Now it's your turn to explore. Share what you create and tag it with #MadeWithStorytribe.